Hi guys, hi my lovelies, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. My name is Neo and this is my lovely channel here. Today we are doing something really special, guys. I've been asked to be part of a group that's doing a Secret Santa, and the group is so much more than just a Secret Santa. And today I am going to be doing my unboxing. It's in this box here. Yes, it's cut open. I know that, but that's because I don't like to cut open things on camera. So I went ahead and cut it open a few minutes ago, and I'm really excited to be filming this, guys. I know you've seen this thumbnail. I know you've seen these videos doing the rounds because there's a bunch of us doing it, and I can't wait to tell you more about it. So if you'd like to see my unboxing of my Secret Santa gift and to hear more about this group that I'm a member of here on YouTube, then please watch on. Hey guys, so I joined this group here on YouTube and we are doing... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neo. This is my channel here. I like to call it Ahhhsoneo. So this is a little smorgasbord of everything on this channel. I like Luxe. I like whether it's shoes, handbags, or makeup. I like to include that on my channel. I also like to project pan a little bit to try to make my way through my stash, so I like to include that too. There's unboxings, there's complaints about unboxings, there's just a little bit of everything on this channel, and I just want to say thank you so much for coming back. Now I typically start off by asking people to subscribe, but then it's, you know, kind of like if you're first time here, you don't really know me yet. So wait a little bit, watch a bit more of the video, and then of course subscribe. Ding ding. Take a minute, watch the video, see if you like me. I'm sure you will. I have like me disease, so you better. Kidding, kidding. Sense of humor or lack thereof, or whichever one you want to call it. Okay, so I'm looking here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today because I'm participating in a group that's doing a Secret Santa, and I'm just so thrilled to be a part of this group. All the participants will be listed down below with all their same videos that is their unboxing of their Secret Santa gift will be listed down below. It's quite a list, so give me a minute. I will be going through everybody. I gotta read it off my phone, guys. My memory is not so good. So on the list, you will be seeing videos from MsKitta of MsKittaLuvsLV. There's Natural Luxe Diva. There's Romy at Uniquely Beautiful One. And some of these names might be their IG name, but I think for most people that IG name is their YouTube name. If it's not, I'll link the correct YouTube name down below, so bear with me. We have, of course, the fabulous Deb from DreLux TV. We have Wil Makahson, Chanel from Miss Chanel Claire, and Winfire 69. Hey Kim. What it is that we're doing, guys, is this is a collab video in case you didn't catch that. But you should be seeing these videos popping up on your feeds and everything. They'll all have the same thumbnail. So we did a Secret Santa, but there's more to the group than just a luxury gift exchange. What we did is that we're friends too. That's why the title for this is Friendsmas Secret Santa. So we're friends too. We've been meeting, we've been talking on Instagram, we've had phone conversations with each other, we follow each other's YouTube videos, we're subscribed to each other, we're encouraging each other, we are sharing knowledge, we're sharing YouTube secrets and all of this. It's a really great collaborative space and a good place for those of us with the smaller channels to just kind of encourage each other. You know, I don't know if you guys notice, but sometimes on this YouTube journey we lose our motivation and we need someone to say, when are you doing your next video? Or what's your next video about? Or that kind of little motivation that we keep going, and that's what I've found within this group and love it. So it's more than just, hey, someone sent me a Secret Santa box. It's more than just the Friendsmas Secret Santa. It's really a great group for us to talk to. And I'm really excited just to have been asked to participate. So, you know, it it feels good to be asked sometimes, right guys? Well, it does for me. So it was really good to be asked. So let's see. So remember guys, you should be seeing these videos in your feeds. If you're not, go looking for them. I'm going to link everybody down below who's participating, and click on their videos too, watch them. If you're coming to me from somebody else's video, hi, thanks for stopping by. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to them, just as I'm hoping, just as they're asking you to subscribe to me too. Okay, I'm rambling. Let's get to the gift because I'm ready. So I do know who my Secret Santa was because she obviously had to put her name on the shipping label. And mine was Deborah of DreLux TV, which is just too super cool because I've done some collab videos with Deborah. I'll link them down below. We need to do a new one. We do. And I've watched her just grow and grow and grow on YouTube. I've watched her videos, which are so creative. I mean, this girl knows how to edit. She knows how to double herself in the video. I mean, she is killing it in this YouTube game, and I'm so proud to call her my friend. Thank you, Deborah. I'm so thrilled. I know whatever it's gonna be, it's fabulous. It's already packed fabulously. There's a little box in here, a little Dior bag in here. I'll start with the small gift. Oh, cool! It has a Dior makeup remover. See, Deb knows that I like my makeup, so I know she threw this in there so that I could go to bed clean. And some perfume samples. Oh, ooh. I think I will. Oh, well, must fine nozzle. Oh, wow, that's nice. This is Chanel. Okay, it just says Les Eaux de Chanel. Les Eaux de Chanel. Never mind me and my French pronunciations. Oh, it's all gift wrapped lovely. Yeah, whoever got my gift, I'm not good at wrapping, so good luck. Cool, like little bow off. Hope you guys can see this just fine. Oh, this is like professional. I like it. What is in here? It's an orange box. Ooh, I should have called this my Louis Vuitton unboxing. Ooh, it's heavy too. Okay, hold on. I'm like, I don't know if there was a card in here. Was there a card? I just went straight to the goods, guys. There might have been a card in here. Alright, hold on. Oh, there's a card at the bottom. Louis Vuitton gift receipt. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. I am gonna leave that and get to this because the receipt will let me know what this is, and I want to know what this is. What is this? No! I'm like grinning like a fool because I feel like a fool right now. Okay, this is actually my first key holder. No, wait. I have a round clay holder. Yeah, but this is my first one like this. I know, I've never had one. Thank you. I mean, I thought these were hard to find. How did you even find this? Thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm really so silly. So silly, but I'm really touched. I know I did another video when I did an unboxing because Lady B from Boston had sent me something in the mail. Thank you, Lady B. And it was just so touching and so heartfelt because I've met people on YouTube who are on this journey with me who are really friends. They're friends in my head because I haven't met them in real life, but they're more than friends in my head because these are people I communicate with, I talk to, I email with, been on the phone with, you know, we send each other gifts and stuff, and it's really just it's really touching because the reward from YouTube has been more than I thought it was. You know, I know everybody comes on YouTube and they just want to do, you know, you just want to get followers and you want to blow up big and go viral and start making money from sponsorships, blah, blah, blah. Whatever your grind is on YouTube. Not that I'm judging anyone, because if you want to send me a sponsorship, do it. But I think for me, the unexpected reward has been really connecting with people, because I knew I would connect with people, but I thought it would be me going out and not necessarily people coming to me. I don't even know if that makes sense. But to meet new people, meet new friends and all of that in this manner, to meet new people in this manner has for me really been an unexpected joy. And for that, I'm truly grateful and touched. So, yeah, I think I need to do an updated Louis Vuitton collection. I really do. I haven't added a lot of pieces this year, but I'm in USLG. Oh, thanks, Deb. Thank you. I'm having a day of gratitude today, guys, so I'm just happy. It's a day of gratitude. So, all right, now I'm just sitting here basking in my gratitudeness, my gratefulness. See, I mean, sometimes the English just gone. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Just kidding, but really not. So thank you so much for dropping by again and checking me out here on my channel. This is Ahhhsoneo. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Deb. Thanks, Secret Santa. Thanks, Natural Luxe, for setting this up. Check us out, guys. We've got plans for 2019. We're going to do things. We're going to keep chugging along on this little YouTube bicycle merry-go-land. I think I just killed that saying, but you know what I mean. Yeah, we're here, and we're going to encourage each other to keep going. And I think we genuinely really like each other. Sometimes you gotta like each other more than you have to love each other, and I think we genuinely like each other, and I genuinely like you guys. So thanks for joining my journey. Happy holidays. I mean, 2018 is almost over. Stay blessed, stay positive, stay motivated, choose happiness. It's like a reminder to myself, it really is. But choose happiness. Do it. It's a choice. You can make it. Alright, bye guys. I'm gonna use this baby today. Yes, today.